doing. Being a single mother does not make you local. Being a single mother does not make you look inferior. Being a single mother does not make you irresponsible. Being a single mother does not give you the right not to take care of your children. Being a single mother does not guarantee you to insult the father of your children in their presence. For example, some women, if their pikin do something, maybe their pikin do one thing wey not good, for you to talk to the pikin, you go and insult the papa. For example, so I say, it is bad. You are the useless single mother. No matter what that man did to you, do not insult do not insult that man in the presence of your kids. What are you teaching your children? Being a single mother does not mean that you should not take good care of your children. How can you be a single mother of 4 or 3 and you have a boyfriend? You have one boyfriend. Before January to March, you break up with that boyfriend. Before April to June, you have another one. Before August to September, you break up with that one. Before December, you have another one. What are you teaching your children? You think they don't know what they are doing? Children copy from us. Children copy from us. Children copy from us. Do not trust your female children with your fucking boyfriend. I'm not saying you should not have a boyfriend. Nobody is saying that you should not have a boyfriend. But before you can be able to trust your boyfriend like your baby father, you should at least test his ability. If he loves you if he loves those children the way he loves you. There are some boyfriends that will come to your home and destroy your home. For example, there was a rumor flying on the internet few weeks ago about a single mother who have an affair with a single guy. The boy asked her for sex in the night. He not give her. The boy went straight to her daughter and made love to her daughter. You see? Because now the way you take the do, there are some single mothers that are so stupid. There are some single mothers that they're supposed to they flog them. Just they flog them. They are net. Just they flog them. Now they bring bad name to single mothers where they're responsible. Now they bring bad name to single mothers when it be say, as in, there are some single mothers that you will see, you will fall in love with them. Those are the kind of single mothers I call single mothers non swag. When you see their children, if not 2 children they get, they see the money for their body. They know the shop kinder get money. You get kinder get. You tired ya. Kederate ekeni ya warioe. But I will give you wow. Some single mothers, if you look at their children will be looking so tattered. Their children will be looking so awkward. Their children will be looking so dirty. They cannot take care of their children. Because they have one black boy where they fuck them. Imagine a single mother will be making love in the presence of her children. You think you are bringing that child up in a good way. You are downgrading yourself in the presence of your children. You are building a negative and stupid future for your children. making love with a man, screaming in the presence of your kids, and you call yourself a single mother. And when someone accused you of a single mother, you say single mothers are not like that. Now, ma put now for the condition. If ma put you for condition, does that mean that you should kill yourself? Single mother not be disease. Single mother not be HIV. Single mother not be something where you know if you talk for outside. Not be your fault say you be single mother. Not be your fault say ma put you for that. If na ma really put you for that situation, we dey know, we dey see am. Where there are some stupid women, not be ma put them for that situation. Not be ma put them for that situation. Imagine, how can a human being just sit down? How can a human being? When I see, wait, the reason why I don't like single girls, I want to understand. When I see the reason why I don't like some single mothers, the reason why I don't like them, the reason why I hate them with passion. If they want like make the verse, I no bloody give a damn. I don't bloody give a fuck. I don't bloody care. Fuck you. If you are that woman that I'm talking to, because you bring disgrace to the responsible ones. You bring disgrace to the ones when it be say they're not there your category. There are 3 kinds of single mothers. Imagine, how can a lady just decide that make her just born? I don't want to marry. Make her just born. You are a fool. If you not get those kind of people names, Mona said that give me this year, I am going to tongue lash you people. Being a single mother, there are, as in a lot of temptations they follow on. Only you want to go come bath children, feed them, take them, go bed and sleep. 2 people, they trade picking self, it's still they hard. Talk less of 1 person. Imagine, still they are thinking, you can just you just sit down. You say now born why you're born. Now born you want your born, you don't want marry. You are a bastard. You are a fool. You are not worthy to be a woman. You are the people that are disgracing single mothers. How can you decide not to marry? Not be saying that the man, not be the fuck up now. Now you. Some of them go you pretend. Make they say they're not born. Make they say they're not born. If they're not born 1, born 2, they call they misbehave. Wait till you know they tell the man before you call they tell her. You go come make the man vex. Do you some kind of things you're not supposed to do you? You say no to domestic violence. I cannot go and kill myself. I'm tired and I'm done. You go tell government say you don't want to make that man they come that house again. You want me to separate you now. Any single mother way they do this kind of thing. Say not be that man, not be put you for that situation. Now you put yourself. What are you? What is the color of your problem? What is the color of your problem? You look like a person with a fear person. Maybe not in one of Deutschland. Now the money never come, but I know the fear person. Some of you are the cause of your problems. How can you date 5 boys in a year? How can you, because you could already get freedom, you can't date, you don't date 5 boys for 1 year. 5 boys for 1 year. You date till any taller. Your pussy they scratch you. Small boys when not reach your level, can they use you till the lane. When not reach your husband, your baby father level, can they use you till the lane because of Kinder gets money. Because of Aduro money. Whether they pay you. Because of Aduro money, you'll break your home. You are in Germany. You deal with your husband. You deal with your kids. Now they the same house together. Now God will bless you. Any woman that is in her husband's house in Germany with children, they are living happily. Wow. May God continue to bless that family. Any single, and I want to advise the men tonight. Not because now our own still good though. We will be men, our own get our body. If you know say you don't want me woman born for you, use condom. If you say you don't want to make woman born for you, use condom. Uga ilwe condom neni orien. Yo be fa gunu e. Uga weri rien. Igbo obi ino kankan ori defo abi we. Condom dey sweet. It will prevent you from unwanted pregnancy. Pikin wey you don't want make it come. Condom will prevent them. It is sweet. They use condom. Not be say you can't make love with that woman finish and that woman dey dedicated. Say out of 100 of single mothers in Germany, 100 now 20 na man not put, or rather now 20 no want me there be single mother. Now 20 na man put for that condition. You see the remaining 80. If you see me for road, not greet me. You want me to be single mother. Do you know what I saw today that made me brought this topic again? Do you know what I saw? You get one woman. I go African store today. If you see this single mother, if you see her Versace, my God. If you see this woman Versace, if you see the wears, but the children, they be kata de ye. The children were unkept. The children were not properly taken care of. I shake my head. As long as I live, I don't bring pikin come this life, even if me not eat. But my pikin go eat. Even if I not wear, but my children go wear. That makes you a mother. That makes you a parent. When you were screaming, how the fuck me? Baby, Kanyo, baby, Zanzan, baby, Belewa, baby, Yome. You not remember. Now the children has come. You they use the children money till they enrich yourself. You know they take care of the children. If pikin they go school the money, you put water for feed the bottle. For pikin, make it carry go school. You put water for feed the bottle, make pikin carry go school. Where son, the advice I want to give to una wey be man, you dey Germany for year, you get wife, una dey the same house together, you get children, una dey live happily. No allow any single mother come greet your wife. If you know say na single mother, pursue am. No let am come close to your wife. If he come close to your wife, before not in 4 months, una don separate. Una don separate. Una don scatter. Because that single mother is not happy. That single mother is not happy that see these people that they enjoy seeing life. Some of you are regretting it right now that what have I done to myself? Some of you they regret it now because of aduro money. Money we not supposed to take feed una pikin. Money we not supposed to take care of una children. Now they use how they buy Versace. Now they use how they do yagbe for meeting. Now they use how they buy different things. Imagine. You born pikin. Why some single mothers dey? There are responsible single mothers. There are irresponsible irresponsible single mothers, while there are honey single mothers. Honey. They are always honey. They are ready to fuck anything fuckable. Those are the kind of single mothers. When even be say, they feel born picking today. Yeah, it will be no more right now. They feel leave the picking tomorrow. They feel throw away the picking. Honey single mothers. Single mother where they drink, where they shack. That one no. Single mothers when they shack. Single mothers where they shack. They drink beer, they won't beer. They drink anyhow. Any party go, you must die. I beg, if you now know those kind of single mothers, you not tell me. Single mothers where they buy beer put for us. Now useless single mother. Single mother where they buy and see. Not be say you buy and keep for visitor. Except say you buy and keep for visitor. Say you dey buy and for yourself, you are a useless single mother. You dey drink. You dey drink again. Then tell me why boy not go use you to do yeye. Ogun never go kill now. We go ever insult any single boy again say that they use now they do yeye. You are a bastard. Why they not go use you do yeye? There are some single mothers that you will see. You wait the husband, you go like me, you just be single mother because they're too irresponsible. Some women did this journey, yeah. Some women did this journey, yeah. For 1 year, they never make love. Not be say they not get boys so they disturb them. They never make love. Not be say they not get pets so they disturb them. But they don't want to bring their self-load to the parent, as in to their children. They concentrate in their children. May God bless those kind of single mothers. Why some of them say they go to smoke igbo for where their children they? So what's it called? Waviye, Babella Ruwagbe. Waviye. Babella Ruwagbe. Ogun Ragbo. Where? He gonna pay every month. Uye 70 € more will bokpa. You mean I had the Morocco. Morocco ni Ragbo. Boy go they call your ass. You will be single mother. You go they ask the boy. Say, hope say you will feel fuck me. Hope say you will feel fuck me. Because I like it here well. I don't want to take you serious. You don't know also, we will be many. A man can tell you, I love you, not this year. You go dress for Facebook. They see your pussy. They say, wow. They say you're hot. You are a fool. Men don't go for cheap things. We go for expensive things. You feel me? That is why I choose better wife for myself. Fresh, fair, touche. Imagine. Hope say you come to the shower. You will leave picking for us. You and your single boyfriend. Una go club. Una go club. You tell the senior one say, Etwen Rahian yo. We have yo. Wa ye who? Wa go me do mi wa be. You follow single boy. Follow go club. That one go the corner and I don't drink. To go below. It's not the enter bed. It will. It can't do way. I say Morocco then. Imagine a single mother will be making love to a single guy. He will be insulting the baby father of her children. Yo, swear, yo, hey yo, swear, service, service, you gotta waste the time. And you expect that kind of a guy to take you serious. And you expect those kind of a guy to marry you. And you expect a single guy that has a better future to marry you. Where they smoke, where they say, swear yo, everything ya. You know what? Go check your children whether they sleep well. After they don't fuck you rubbish, just zanzan you. Then you come finally stand up. Hey yo, you arrive, oh.